Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Iris USA large portable wire rabbit cage with top access and 2-tray division. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Easy to clean, with an easily detachable bottom tray thanks to the side latches, cleanup becomes far less of a chore, and with the smooth plastic material. No smells or messes stick and linger to the tray after cleaning, making everyone a happy camper when it comes to pet care. Secure, the positive lock latching system provides an added layer of safety and security for your pet and ensures that the latch stays firmly in place, preventing your pets from accidentally escaping or getting into harm's way. Easy mobility, comes equipped with smooth rolling wheels that make it easy to move around. Whether you need to relocate the cage to a different room or take it with you on the go, the wheels provide effortless mobility. With this convenient feature, you can provide your pet with a comfortable and secure living space no matter where you are. Spacious, ample space for your pets to move around and stretch out. Its generous size is ideal for accommodating small animals such as rabbits, mice, and guinea pigs, ensuring that they have enough room to feel comfortable and relaxed. With its spacious interior, your furry friends can play, explore, and rest without feeling cramped or confined. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.